What if I told you something from the edge of our solar system is heading our way right now? A mysterious object traveling for millions, maybe billions of years, finally approaching Earth's neighborhood. Social media is buzzing. Headlines are spreading fast. A comet is coming in April 2026. But is it true or just another cosmic myth? Tonight, we uncover the truth and what scientists are really seeing in the sky. Before we answer the question, we need to understand what a comet actually is. Comets are ancient leftovers from the formation of our solar system, frozen time capsules made of ice, rock, and dust. They come from distant regions like the Kuiper Belt and the mysterious Oort cloud. When a comet gets close to the sun, it heats up, releasing gas and dust, creating that glowing coma and iconic tail. These celestial travelers don't just pass by, they tell a story billions of years old. Why people think a comet is coming. So, why is everyone talking about April 2026? It often starts with a single post, a misunderstood headline, or a misinterpreted scientific prediction. Sometimes, older comet data resurfaces, and suddenly, it sounds like a new discovery. Other times, people confuse asteroids with comets, or exaggerate close passes into Earth-threatening events. The truth is, space is full of objects moving all the time, but not all of them are dangerous. So, let's separate fact from fiction. What scientists actually say NASA and other space agencies track thousands of objects near Earth every single day. These are called near-Earth objects, or NEOs. And if anything posed a real threat, we would know well in advance. As of now, there is no confirmed comet on a collision course with Earth in April 2026. That doesn't mean nothing is happening, it just means there's no verified danger. Science isn't guessing, it's watching constantly. Could a comet appear suddenly? Here's where things get interesting. Some comets can appear with little warning, especially those from the distant Oort cloud. But even then, astronomers detect them months or years before they get close. And even if a new comet were discovered today, the chances of it hitting Earth are extremely low. Space is vast, and Earth is a very small target. What would happen if a comet did hit Earth? Now imagine, just for a moment, that a comet was on a collision course. The impact would be catastrophic. Depending on its size, it could release more energy than millions of nuclear bombs. Shock waves, firestorms, and global climate effects could follow. But here's the key. Events like this are incredibly rare. We're talking about timescales of millions of years. Famous comets in history. Comets have fascinated humans for centuries. Halley's Comet appears every 76 years and has been recorded since ancient times. Comet Neowise lit up the skies in 2020, visible to the naked eye. And more recently, Comet Tsuchinshan Atlas captured global attention. These events remind us comets aren't just threats, they're also breathtaking wonders. The role of social media. So, why do these rumors spread so fast? Because space is mysterious, and fear spreads quicker than facts. A dramatic headline gets attention. A viral video gets views. But not everything online is accurate. That's why it's important to rely on trusted scientific sources, not speculation. What's actually happening in April 2026? So, what can we expect in April 2026? Possibly a few minor celestial events, meteor showers, planetary alignments, or distant comet flybys. Nothing unusual, nothing dangerous. But still, a reminder that the universe is always in motion. And we are part of something much bigger. Why we should keep watching the sky. Even if no comet is coming to threaten Earth, there's still something incredible about looking up. Every star, every comet, every flash of light is a piece of a story that began billions of years ago, and we are lucky enough to witness it. If a comet becomes visible in April 2026, it would most likely be seen in regions with clear, dark skies. The best chances are usually in North America, United States, Canada, parts of Europe, UK, Germany, France, Australia, and New Zealand, sections of South America and Southern Africa. Visibility depends on the comet's position, but typically, comets are easiest to see just before sunrise or just after sunset. The darker the sky, the better the view. If a comet appears, timing is everything. Early morning, about 1 to 2 hours before sunrise, is often the best window, or shortly after sunset, when the sky is dark, but the comet is still above the horizon. You'll want to look toward the eastern or western horizon, depending on its path. And remember, your eyes need about 20-30 minutes to fully adjust to the dark. Watching a comet isn't complicated, but preparation makes all the difference. Find a location far from city lights, like a rural area or open field. Bring binoculars or a small telescope for a clearer view. Check the weather forecast. Clear skies are essential. And most importantly, be patient. Sometimes the best cosmic events require a little waiting. So, is a comet coming in April 2026? No confirmed threat, but the universe is full of surprises. If you're fascinated by space mysteries like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, because the next big discovery could happen at any moment.